and I'll represent the Russian group. I have you're not like that, you're famous. You notice outside, the first group that came to Shanghai, maybe because of the opium war, were the ones we used to call Baghdadi, because they all came from Baghdad to India, to Bombay, from Bombay to Shanghai. The second group, which I'm from, came in the late 20s from Harbin, and they stayed there till the early 50s. Now I'm unique for one reason. My parents were married by Rabbi Ashkenazi in Shanghai in 1935. Early 35. I was born end of 35 in Palestine. I'm the only one I think over here that is Palestinian, was Palestinian, now Israeli. And in 1938 we returned to Shanghai as Palestinians. Now, Jews were not touched during the war. Russians or Germans. We were Palestinians and we became British. As British, I don't know which camp you were.
So everyone just
I talked to you on the phone about a few years ago. Yes, with you. You live not far away from me. So, 1943, all the aliens, in other words, American citizens, British, Dutch, of course there was Australians, New Zealand, those from Baghdad that still have British passports because they're from India, and we were about 5 or 6 Palestinians. We were interned. We were interned April 1943. It took them a while to collect all those that wanted to become British, that wanted to be alien. French were not interned. And again, I have to repeat, all my family, they were either stateless or had Russian passports. They were not interned. We were the only ones from the family that were interned in camps. My sister was born actually in a camp, January the 13th, 45. And then we stayed in Shanghai till 1948, and we went back to Israel. Then it was Palestine, and 2 months later, Israel. I have to repeat what everybody else said. There was never any animosity between us, Jews, and the local and the Chinese. And I want to tell to the Chinese people that there are 2 Russians that were part of the Communist Party. The very first was Tu Gan Cohen. He was a little bodyguard, and there was a member of the Chinese, what the parliament was it called? The parliament, Chinese parliament. Epstein, he died a few years ago. He was a very esteemed member. He is from the Russian Jews. So, thank you very much for listening.